Hello everyone, I hope everyone is well. Here in Maxi Made, we try to keep you entertained and hopefully show you something you can learn from. Now without further ado, let's dive right into this one. Sit right back, get your snacks and enjoy the show. Biker caught a moment on camera that we all love to watch. Let's see how does this situation unfold.
I got you, homie.
They started to argue about something and Biker didn't like what he heard. After that, Biker got mad and this happened. This time around, it was just an unlucky day for this biker. He got pulled over and will receive a surprise of his lifetime. Stay tuned.
Good, how are you?
Good, mate. Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yep.
You having a good day?
So far.
So far? That's the main thing, isn't it?
You mind being on YouTube?
Is that what this is? Oh, delightful. Well, you might not like what comes next.
What's happening?
Thank you. Are you aware that your bike has got an expired warrant of fitness?
I'm just on my way to the...
Oh yeah. Are you also aware that your current driver's license is also expired?
Oh, no.
Yep, so you're an unlicensed driver, which means you're an unlicensed rider.
You're kidding.
No.
When did that expire?
So it actually only expired this year, but as a driver's license holder you need to be aware of that, okay?
Yeah.
So being an unlicensed driver is a $400 infringement.
Put my new tyre.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So I'm just going to get it sorted now.
So you've taken it in and then you're just going back because you're fixing the faults.
Yeah, yeah.
So the infringement's called drove without appropriate driver's license, okay? And that just means because you're an unlicensed driver at the moment. Yeah. Unfortunately, it is a $400 ticket, but I will be giving you compliance today. Okay. So compliance means within 28 days you need to get your driver's license corrected. So you need to go into NZTA, new photo, eye test, you name it. They'll issue with a new one. On the back of the ticket there's a lot of information. On that there it'll show you how you can go for compliance to get the ticket wiped. Do you have any questions?
No.
No? Perfect. Okay, so yeah, just nip in. I've given you compliance and you get it cleared.
Awesome.
Perfect.
Great.
Right,
Thanks a lot for that. Cheers, bye.
After everything was said and done, Biker has got everything sorted out and he is back on the road again legally.
What's the date today? 13th. It expired yesterday.
This is why you shouldn't show off at traffic lights. This lady was not in a mood to wait for green light, and she goes when she wants to go.
Okay, that's...
These bikers were doing whatever they wanted, and they caught a few interesting moments. Let's check them out.
So had it out on the wing. Don't mention my name in chats like E1 said I ain't saying a thing.
I'm not even trying.
like it's whatever, it's whatever. Like how can a gang just keep on
Java here tried to pass the biker, but first mistake she made was that there is a double line, and next one is she couldn't return back in the lane she was supposed to.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Biker, for some reason, skidded through this section. If you have a clue of maybe what happened here, write it down in the comment section below. Just around this corner, this biker lost control and ended up crashing in the ditch. Check it out.
Houston, we have a problem.
Thank you again for staying with Maxi Made until the end. If you liked what you saw, consider pressing that like button and also subscribe so you can always get this kind of content. For receiving notifications about newest content, don't forget to hit that bell button as well. So all in all, we hope you enjoyed this one. Stay safe out there, and until the next one.